Just a few days back, hundreds were killed in a terror strike at the Kabul airport. And news coming in now that there's been another attempt to target the Hamid Karzai International Airport. This time, a rocket attack has been averted after defences installed at the airport destroyed the incoming rockets. Local media reports say that several rockets were fired from a vehicle near the Khurshid Private University towards the Kabul airport. Primary and preliminary reports right now indicate that these rockets were repelled by the Kabul airfield defense system. This comes a day after US forces launched a drone strike on an explosive-laden vehicle that was headed towards the airport. On Saturday, US President Joe Biden said the situation on the ground remained extremely dangerous and that his military chiefs had told him more attacks were highly likely. Ashraf Ani is joining us live this morning with the latest updates on this. Ashraf, very worrying the fact that you're seeing several attempts being made to target the Kabul airport right now. In this latest incident of a rocket attack being thwarted, what really do we know?
Akshita, this was predicted as well as it was already warned by the US intelligence sources itself, because ISIS Khorasan is desperate to carry out the attacks on the foreign troops, particularly the American troops in Kabul. That is why the airport of the Kabul is specifically being targeted by the Islamic State of Khorasan. But there are also some other blasts which are going on around the military base in the Kabul city of Afghanistan. Basically, what we know from the sources that there is some ammunition also which is being destroyed by the American troops and some kind of infrastructure what they did not want to remain with the hands of Taliban and other people which will rule in future in Afghanistan. That is also a case which is being seen for last 3 days near the Kabul airport, because there is only the space inside the Kabul airport where still the American troops are deployed. Near about 3,000 troops are there, and they have to evacuate, they have to go out from the Afghanistan in coming 48 hours.
All right, Ashraf, for the moment, thank you very much for joining us.